Dear students, in fact, I'll be taking the new topics for you. That is, 4 chapters I have completed. I'll try to do it. The first chapter which I did is human reproduction, right? In offline classes, but the first chapter what I did in online classes is human health and diseases. Don't be confused. Today we are studying the NEET portion of human reproduction. Let's go through. These questions I will be uploading on your groups. This what SLM sir has already given, already uploaded. My portion I will upload. The first question: freshly released human eggs has one Y chromosome, one X chromosome, two X chromosomes, one X and one Y chromosome. The freshly released eggs, clear? Or what do you mean by X here? Ovum will have only one X chromosome, only one X chromosome. After fertilization, it will have two X chromosomes or one X and one Y chromosome. Very easy question. Next, second question: fertilization is union of diploid spermatozoa. Wrong. B option: union of haploid spermatozoa with haploid ovum to form a haploid zygote. Wrong. C option: union of haploid sperm with haploid ovum to form a diploid zygote is the correct option. C option is the correct answer. You all very well know it's nothing but the definition of fertilization. Third question: a mature sperm has what it has? Matured, completely matured sperm has. Option A: pair of flagella, cannot be. B: nucleus, acrosome and centriole. C: a nucleus, an acrosome and a pair of centrioles. Option D is a nucleus, an acrosome and a pair of centrioles, proximal centriole and distal centriole and a tail. So this is the complete structure of sperm. So option D is the correct answer for third question. Moving on to the next question. In human beings, the developing embryo resides in. Where do you reside? The developing embryo will be in uterus. So option A fallopian tube, option B uterus, option C ovaries, D vagina. Answer is uterus. The human being developing embryo resides, will be present in uterus. Fifth question: spermatogenesis is promoted by. Spermatogenesis, you have to answer the hormone here. Spermatogenesis takes place in, of course, human male. So the hormone is A estrogen, no. B progesterone, no. C testosterone. You all very well know testosterone is the correct answer, and D is oxytocin. Correct answer is C testosterone. Next question: sperm cells are produced in. Where they are produced? They are produced in the testes. But where actually in testes? A option: seminiferous tubules. Yes, this is the answer. Seminiferous tubules. Interstitial cells, no. Epididymis, prostate gland. You know prostate gland secretes. Fine, clear. Seminal fluid. Epididymis stores. Fine, gives nutrition. Fine, temporally stores and gives nutrition to the sperms. And interstitial cells produces other hormone. Clear. So option A is the correct answer for sixth question. Next question: human sperm moves by A cilia, B flagella, C basal body, D nucleosome. Your thought was tail, that was correct. Is nothing but flagella. So option B is the answer, flagella. 8. Chorda epididymis. It's a part of, fine, part of vasa difference. Chorda epididymis leads to what? Epididymis leads to vasa difference. Chorda epididymis, last part of the epididymis is known as chorda epididymis, that leads to vasa difference. Clear? Next, the nutritive medium for the ejaculated sperms is given by. For ejaculated sperms, already sperms are ejaculated from the seminiferous tubules. The nutritive medium is given by seminal fluid, which is secreted from prostate gland, bulbourethral gland and seminal vesicles. That is a seminal fluid. Option A seminal fluid, B vaginal fluid, C uterine lining, D fallopian tube. Answer is, of course, seminal fluid A. Next question: in female rabbit, the expanded proximal part of the oviduct is known as, everywhere is the same, not only in rabbit, it is known as uterus. The extended part of oviduct is called uterus. Next question: ovulation in mammals is caused by which hormones? Ovulation, the process of releasing of ovum is known as ovulation. It is caused by option A FSH and TSH. TSH cannot be. Option B FSH and LH. Yes, FSH and LH. Option C FSH only. Option D LTH and LH. No, the most appropriate answer is, correct answer is FSH and LH. Follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Next, testes produces sperms, eggs, seeds, spores. Sperms. The process, next question, the process of releasing the ripe female gamete is nothing but matured female gamete, what do we call ovum, from the ovary is called ovulation. The process options are given: parturition, ovulation, fertilization, implantation. Ovulation. Next, in which phase of cell division is oogonia arrested? Oogonial cells are found. They are always found in prophase 1. So option is B option is the correct answer here. Next, oogenesis comprises multiplication phase, correct, growth phase, correct, maturation phase also correct. So D option, all of the above is the correct answer. Next, location and secretion of Leydig cells. Location, where is found presumed? It is found in testes. What is their function? Testosterone. So location and function, they are Leydig cells are nothing but interstitial cells found in testes, and they secrete testosterone. Next question, clear? Egg is liberated from ovary. They say egg, ovum is liberated from ovary. In which stage? Secondary oocyte stage. It's also known as secondary oocyte stage. It's there in the given diagram also. In oogenesis schematic representation, they have labeled as secondary oocyte. You also know that during expression we have told you that point. Next question, middle piece of mammalian sperm possess, middle piece, what it possesses? Head, middle piece, head, neck, middle piece and tail. 4 parts. So what the question here? Middle piece of mammalian sperm possess mitochondria and centrioles. Of course, mitochondria only, centriole only, nucleus and mitochondria. What it contains? It contains both mitochondria and centriole. So option A is the correct answer. Clear? Then the growth of corpus luteum is initiated by, which hormone is asking? Fine, corpus luteum, you know, it secretes hormones. Fine, corpus luteum. Then it becomes corpus albicans. No. A, human chorionic gonadotropin. No. Follicle stimulating hormone. Cannot be. Third, luteinizing hormone. That's what is known as corpus luteum, luteinizing hormone. C option is the correct answer. C option is the correct answer. Clear? Then, next question. At the end of the first meiotic division, male sperm differentiates into, after meiotic division, it is known as secondary spermatocyte. Option A is correct. It cannot be primary or spermatogonium or spermatids. After the first meiotic division, it is in a secondary spermatocyte. Option A is correct answer. Moving on to 21st question. Exponential growth of cells is a characteristic feature of exponential. Fine. Exponential growth. You know what is exponential? Tissue culture cannot be, multicellular organisms cannot be, unicellular cannot be, embryo. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Like that. Exponential. Next question. It occurs only in embryo. Next question. The correct sequence of spermatogenetic stages leading to the formation of sperms in a mature human testis is option A, spermatogonia, then spermatocyte, then spermatids, then sperms. I think this is correct. Let's see the other options. B, spermatids, spermatocytes, no. C, spermatogonia, spermatids, no. D, spermatocytes, spermatogonia, no. So correct sequence is spermatogonia cells, they produce the spermatocytes become spermatids, immature, non-motile, then they later will mature to sperms. Clear? That's what is known as spermatogenesis. Fine? Okay, spermiogenesis. Okay, next question. Which of the following is the most likely root cause why menstruation is not taking place in regularly cycling human female? Question you have not understand? Listen carefully again. Which of the following is the most likely root cause? What is the cause of why menstruation is not taking place in regularly cycling human female? Why it stops? Because she has become pregnant. When she has become pregnant? After fertilization. That's the option. Option A, maintenance of hypertropical and endominic lining. No. Maintenance of high concentration of sex hormones in the bloodstream. No, cannot be. Retention of well-developed corpus luteum. No way at all. So option D, fertilization of the womb. Because fertilization has taken place in her body. Regularly she was showing menstruation. Suddenly it has stopped. That is the confirmation of the fertilization. Next question. Sertoli cells are found in where? Sertoli cells. Yes, seminiferous tubules, and they provide, what is the function? They provide nutrition to the germ cells, to the sperms. Next, vasa efferentia. You all very well know the parts. Vasa efferentia are the ductless are the ductles that leads to vasa efferentia, leads to retrotestis, retrotestis leads to vasa deferens, vasa seminiferous tubules, vasa efferentia, then retrotestis, then vasa deferens. Option B is the correct answer there. Next, the signals for parturition originate. Message signals, fine, from where? For parturition, what is parturition? Normal delivery. Parturition is from placenta and as well as also fully developed fetus. Same way I have told you in the expression also, fine. This is stimulated by fully developed fetus and also placenta. Then only oxytocin is released from the pituitary gland, posterior lobe of pituitary gland. That leads to parturition, normal delivery, contraction and relaxation of uterus muscles and vaginal muscles. Next question. Which is that? 27th question. The part of the fallopian tube closest, during the expression itself I have told you these questions will be asked. The part of the fallopian tube closest to the ovary is, of course, infundibulum. So option here is isthmus, infundibulum, cervix, ampulla. Infundibulum. Good. Spermatozoa are nourished during their development by Sertoli cells. Give nourishment to the spermatozoa. Option A, Sertoli cells. B, interstitial cells. Cannot be. C, connective tissue. Cannot be. D, none of the above. Option A, Sertoli cells is the right answer. Moving on to 29th question. Clear? Correct sequence is in development is, first what takes place? Fertilization takes place. Then zygote formation takes place. That leads to cleavage. That leads to marula. Marula gives rise to mass of cells called blastula. Blastula undergoes blastulation. Blastocele gives rise to gastrula. Correct sequence. Fertilization, zygote, cleavage, marula, blastula, gastrulation. Option A correct. Let's see option B. Fertilization, zygote, blastula, marula, cleavage. No. Fertilization, cleavage. No. Cleavage, zygote cannot be. Option A. First fertilization, then zygote formation, then cleavage, division, then marula leads to blastula, leads to gastrula. Option A is the correct answer for 29th question. 30th question. Polar body is produced during the formation of, polar body in oogenesis during the formation of secondary oocyte. Option B is correct answer. The options are given here are A, sperm, B, secondary oocyte, C, oogonia, D, spermatocyte. Option B, secondary oocyte is correct. Clear? I will just check whether going on. Fine. Next, question number 31. Clear? The head of the mature mammalian sperm, head of the mature, completely mature, head of the mature sperm is made up of what? Elongated nucleus covered by acrosome. Then don't get confused. In option A it is given an acrosome. Use patience in need. Go through all options. Option B, elongated nucleus covered by acrosome is the correct option. B. C, he says two centrioles no, nucleus acrosome no. Clear? Moving on to next question. That is, which part of the sperm provides energy to fertilize the egg? Which part? Middle part. Why? Because it contains what? Mitochondria. That's why it is known as engine room of the sperm. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. It produces ATP. So it is nothing but energy. So option D here, middle piece is the correct answer. In which stage of the development the embryonic cells form the germinal layer by the movement. Clear? Option A, morula, blastula, gastrula, neurula. In which stage of the development the embryonic cells form the germinal layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, from where the tissue arises, what we call as histogenesis, from the germ layers. It occurs during gastrula, during gastrulation. Clear? Next, what is the true for cleavage? Cleavage means what? Size of embryo increases, size of cells decreases, cannot be. Size of cells increases, size of embryo decreases. Cleavage for breaking, for division, first size of the cells has to increase, growth phase. Clear? So option B is correct answer. That is size of the cells decreases. Clear? Seminal vesicles is present at the junction of, seminal vesicles are present at the junction of, he has given option A, prostate and urethra. Then the option B, clear, fine, is prostate and vasa deferens. Seminal vesicles are present at the junction of prostate and vasa difference is the correct option. Clear? Option B. Next, which layer develops first during embryonic development? This we have told you in first year also during during that option during that structural organization in animals. Fine, clear. First, I have told this explanation in this chapter also. Which layer develops first during embryonic stages? Endoderm, then meso, then ecto. Clitoris is in mammals, in human beings, in mammals, which is present in females, is what? He is asking. Option A, homologous to penis, analogous to penis, functional penis in female, non-functional, homologous to penis, homologous organ. You know what is the definition of homologous organ? Having common origin, little different function is homologous organ. We have told this during explanation. Clitoris is a homologous organ to penis in males, whereas clitoris in females. Option A is the correct answer. Maturation of sperms before penetration is called capacitation. What is known as capacitation? Option A, spermatogenesis. Option B, spermiogenesis. Capacitation, then spermatid. Answer C, capacitation. Which of the following is an accessory reproductive gland in male mammals? Accessory reproductive gland. Option A, prostate gland. Option B, gastric gland. Option C, mushroom shaped gland. Option D, inguinal gland. Which one? Of course, true. Prostate gland. Clear? Is accessory reproductive gland. Gastric gland comes in stomach. Mushroom gland comes in frogs. Clear? And inguinal gland, you all very well know, it comes in the mouth. Clear? There are some special type of cells found in the seminiferous tubules known as Sertoli cells. These are germinal cells, reproductive cells, somatic cells, protective cells. What cells? Clear? Sertoli cells, protective cells. Fine. As far as these options are concerned, that's the answer. Reproductive cells. Clear? Reproductive cells. Clear? Well, it's whether the video is going on or what, let's see. Clear? Because I have less of memory. Fine, going on. Next question. Spermatogenesis is under the regulatory influence of. Spermatogenesis takes place because of FSH, follicle stimulating hormone in females. FSH has one main function in males, that is nothing but spermatogenesis, the process of production of sperms from testes. Seminal plasma in human is rich in fructose, calcium, certain enzymes. B, fructose, calcium but no enzymes. Glucose, certain enzymes but no calcium. Fructose and certain enzymes but poor in calcium. Seminal plasma in human is rich in fructose, correct, calcium, correct, and certain enzymes, hyaluronidase, neuroaminidase, certain enzymes are also correct. Clear? So option A, I have told you that in forensic science, if to detect rape, the presence of fructose is checked on the body of the female because fructose is specifically present in semen. 43rd question. Supporting cells found in between the germinal epithelium of testes are called Sertoli cells. Supporting cells, Sertoli cells, nourishing cells, nourishment cells, fine, nutritive cells, many names. Next, inhibition of secretion of which of the following hormone is necessary for disintegration of corpus luteum? Try to understand the question. Listen carefully. Inhibition of secretion of which of the following hormone is necessary for disintegration of corpus luteum? Progesterone. Which one? Option A, LH, no. Option B, progesterone. Option C, testosterone. Option D, FSH. Option B is the correct answer, that is progesterone. Graafian follicle are characteristically found in the, where? Graafian follicle in the ovary of mammal. Answer D, correct answer, because it says A, thyroid of mammal, B, ovary of frog, C, testes of mammal, D, ovary of mammal. Correct option. Which hormone, next question, which hormone level reaches peak, maximum during luteal phase of menstrual cycle? Which hormone? Progesterone, correct. Option A, luteinizing hormone, wrong. B, progesterone, correct. C, follicle stimulating hormone. D, estrogen. B, progesterone is the correct option. Withdrawal of which of the following hormones is an immediate cause of menstruation? fall off, decreasing of progesterone, withdrawal of less of which hormone is the immediate cause of menstruation? Option A, FSH, RH, progesterone, estrogen, FSH. Option B, progesterone is the correct answer. Next question, 48th question. Which of the following is the correct matching of the events occurring during menstrual cycle? First, ovulation, LH, FSH, no. B option, proliferative phase, rapid generation phase, no. First is development of corpus luteum, that leads to secretory phase and increased secretion of the progesterone. Correct, because it says is during what phase? Which of the following is the correct matching of the events occurring during menstrual cycle? Development of corpus luteum, fine. Secretory phase, correct. Clear? Option C. Next question. FSH and LH is what they are? What type of hormones they are? Vasopressins? No. They are vitamins? No. They are gonadotropins? Of course, very good, correct. Gonadotropins. D option, enzymes? No. They are not enzymes, they are not vitamins, and they are also not vasopressins. They are nothing but ADH, antidiuretic hormone. So here, what it says, gonadotropins, of course, correct. Next question. Some important events in the human female or reproductive cycle are given below. Okay. Arrange the events in a proper sequence. A, they are given secretion of FSH. B, growth of corpus luteum. C, growth of follicle and oogenesis. D, ovulation. E, sudden increase in the level of LH. First, what occurs? Secretion of FSH takes place. Then after that, growth of follicle and oogenesis takes place. Then sudden increase in the levels of LH takes place. Then ovulation occurs. After ovulation, growth of corpus luteum takes place. So option B is the correct sequence, which says A, C, E, D, B. Clear? Next question. Vaginal orifice, the opening. Fine. Vaginal orifice, urethral orifice and clitoris are protected by vulva. Protected by V-U-L-V-A. Vulva. Some people says vulva. Clear? Vulva. Options: labia majora, labia minora, and anus. Wrong options. Correct is vulva. Next, ovulation takes place in or on which days? One is ovulation takes place in also. Where? In. On also. On which date? Is asking. Clear? So option A, ovary. It takes place in ovary. Correct. It takes place on 14th day of menstrual cycle. So option C is correct. That is nothing but both A and B. What is A? Ovary. What is B? On 14th day. So both are correct. The cavity present in the Graafian follicle, antrum, I have told you. So antrum is the correct answer. The other options are amniotic cavity, no. Archenteron, no. Ostium, no. Fine. Antrum. Clear? Graafian follicle we have labeled also. Fine. Proliferation of endometrium of uterus is in control by proliferation of, growth and development of endometrium of uterus is controlled by which hormone? Relaxin. Option A, relaxin. Option B, oxytocin. Option C, progesterone. Option D, luteinizing hormone. Correct option. Next, in human females, ova are produced in ovarian follicles. Is very easy. The menstrual cycle in normal adult woman is of about 28 days. Parturition duct in female is called duct, passage, uterus, oviduct, vagina, cervix, vagina, passage, parturition duct. Next question. In mammals, the female secondary, that is accessory sexual characteristics are developed by the hormone. Which hormone? Estrogen. In females, human females, estrogen. In males, testosterone, androgen. Which helps in the penetration of egg by the sperm? Spermiolysin. Option A, fertilizing, no, later. Anti-fertilizing, later. First, spermiolysin, then fertilization membrane. So option C is the correct answer. Events of fertilization we have discussed in detail. Next question. On fertilization of egg nucleus with sperm nucleus, what happens? Egg nucleus is ovary, ovum nucleus and sperm nucleus are combined, fused. What happens? It leads to the formation of embryo. C, embryo is formed. Next, the process by which ova are formed is known as, very simple, oogenesis. He says ovulation, releasing ovipositor, oviparity. You all know about this. So oogenesis is the correct answer. Next question. Embryonic body form stage is characterized by, the embryonic body is formed. That stage is characterized by A. Basic body plan of emerging? No. Miniature adult features? No. It is nothing but the stage of development resembling the other species. C option is the correct answer. Don't get confused. Now, the embryo at 16 cell stage, we have told many times, 16 cell stage, marula. 32, blastula. 16 cell stage, marula. Clear? Then he says option A, marula, option B, gastrula, option C, blastula, option C, option D, blastomere. 16 cell stage is nothing but marula. Pregnancy begins with the implantation of blastocyst. D option. We can't call it as embryo, we call it as fertilized ovum or blastopore. Pregnancy starts with the implantation. The process of implantation of blastocyst to the endometrium wall of the uterus is called implantation. So that's nothing but blastocyst. Next question. The role of placenta to convey nerve impulses, that is later. To act as storage organ, that's also correct. To protect embryo from shocks, no, not that. To protect nutrition, to provide nutrition for developing embryo. Main function. This is the function. Other function is also there. Of course, true, agree. So main function is to provide nutrition to the developing embryo. Next, which hormone produced by placenta? SCTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone? No, it is produced by adrenal gland. B option, progesterone, correct. C, GH, growth hormone, which is produced by pituitary gland. Gastrin, produced by small intestine. So hormone progesterone is produced by placenta. Next, placenta is the region where option A, what occurs, where it occurs. Fetus is supplied by maternal blood. B, embryo is attached to mother by umbilical cord. No. Fetus receives maternal blood. Fetal receives maternal blood, mother's blood, and nutrition is the correct option. C. Next, during the development of embryo, which of the following occur first? During the development of embryo, which occurs first? Differentiation of tissue? No. Differentiation of cells? Differentiation of organs? Differentiation of organ system. First is differentiation of cells. Next, which distinguishes marula from blastula? Very good question. Marula from blastula. Absence of the cavity. Presence of more yolk, absence of yolk, presence of cavity, absence of cavity. Cervix lies between oviduct and uterus? No. Uterus and vagina? Correct. Vagina and clitoris? No. Clitoris and labia? No. Cervix lies between vagina, cervix, then uterus. So option B is correct answer. Uterus and vagina. We will continue in the next class. Keep studying. God bless you. Good luck. Take care.